Hi friends, I'm Jill from Nibble Cookie Co. and today I'm going to show you how to make this super adorable rainbow cookie. Now when you think of rainbows, sometimes you might think about those very perfect arcs that you have to make, and I'm going to show you a simple way to make this cookie where you don't have to channel your inner perfectionist. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I've already showed you what you need to get started for this project, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I don't have exactly the same colors as the rainbow, but I'm going with it. So I'm going to start with my pink, and instead of making perfect arcs, I am going to start by making zigzags up and down like this. This is so easy to do. Just an up and down motion, and it leaves a lot of room for imperfection, which is great if you're a beginner decorator. Now I'm going for the yellow. This is all stiff royal icings. So these haven't been thinned down. Okay, there's the yellow. Next, I'm going to do my green. Okay, zigzag motion. You can always practice this on a sheet of paper or a cookie pan or parchment paper or whatever before you get started to make sure that you're pretty good on this motion. Now I'm going to start with blue. Bringing this one down a little bit more, making sure I leave plenty of room for that last color, which is purple. And you can look and see that my arc is not totally perfect. And that is okay with me for now. Last color, purple. Indigo, excuse me. If you were going by the rainbow, it would be indigo. Okay, so now that I've got that done, I've got a stiff white piping icing. I can see there's gonna be a bubble right in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that out. There we go. Now, I'm gonna fill in the remaining spots with clouds. So just a circular motion here. It doesn't have to be anything super fancy, not a lot of technique going on. You can make it one motion, you can make it lots of different movements. There we go. I like texture, so I just added a lot of texture. Here we go. I'm just circling around. My tip is cut to probably like a size 3, a 3 tip. There we go. Lots of icing on these. There we go. Okay, great. And now last, I'm going to get a little bit of silvery white luster dust and just tap this ever so gently over the whites on my rainbow because I just want to give it a little bit of a shimmer. Just be a little bit extra with it. Okay. And then once this dries, I can always go back and add some more shimmer. So there you have it. Simple, easy, super cute rainbow that you don't have to lose your mind over. Thanks to you guys for watching. All these products can be found on my Amazon affiliate store, which you will see linked to in the comments here. Thanks so much.